Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my second for the month of October. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a monthly subscription clothing box. You can get it more than monthly, you can get it less than monthly. There's lots of options. You pay $20 for a styling fee. That $20 goes towards a clothing piece. If you want to keep one, that $20 goes towards it. You get 5 items in your box. It can be clothes, shoes, accessories. You keep what you want, you send back what you don't in a prepaid envelope. If you have any other questions about Stitch Fix, leave them in the comments below and I will happily answer them. Otherwise, I will have that in the description box as well as my link. If you do want to sign up for Stitch Fix, please use somebody's code. Mine would be lovely to use. But you don't have to use mine, find somebody's to use, because then you'll get $25 towards an item for yourself, and it'll also give me $25 as well. So whoever's code you use, it just helps them out and it helps you out. So inside the box, you get your prepaid envelope, and then you get 2 different pieces of paper. One has the prices of all of the items in the box, and the other has a note from your stylist as well as a bunch of different style cards where they show you the item that you got in the middle, and then alongside of it they show you what they think would go well with those pieces that they sent you. So it just helps you pick out outfit. If you watched my previous Stitch Fix boxes, you know that I have never gotten the same stylist yet until now. I have Olivia again, which was my stylist last time. You can request what you want. So if you want a box full of dresses because you have an event coming up, they'll send you a box full of dresses. If you want a box full of shirts, they'll send you a box full of shirts. So I asked for 1 plaid shirt and a cute pair of fall booties, and then just the rest shirt. If you watch my last Stitch Fix as well, if you remember that mustard coat that I wanted to exchange, I must have accidentally clicked the wrong button. I strictly remember clicking the exchange button, but they never charged me for it, so I'm not getting that mustard jacket, and it kind of upsets me because now that $20 didn't go towards anything, and I really like that jacket. So I don't know if I'm gonna still ask for it and be like, hey, I did want that jacket. I don't know. We'll see. Just wanted to throw that out there. Okay, this first top is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Arnold Raglan knit top. This retails for $38. I did end up switching to extra small, and I am so happy I did. I feel like everything fits me so much better. This looks a lot like the shirt I'm wearing now. I love Raglan tops. This was super comfortable. The material is so soft. It is a shirt that I definitely like because it's simple. I like the colors. It's nothing too crazy. It's very fall, great to carry into winter. It fits great. I wore it both like half tucked and untucked to show. I thought it was fairly flattering, but I do think it was a little bit see-through and you could see the outline of my bra, which I didn't like too much. I mean, I can always wear a tank top under it, and I guess seeing my bra is not that big of a deal, but holding it up right now, I can see through the shirt completely, so I don't know if I like that. It's cute. $38 I think is a fair price, I guess. I don't know. I'm still iffy on that. I'll have to try it on again just to see, because one, the lighting was awful when I was trying all these on. I guess that really doesn't matter too much. The reason I like it is because it is so simple, and I do like simple. Like, this is something I can throw on with a pair of jeans and sneakers, or a pair of jeans and fall booties, and dress it up or dress it down and be super comfortable in it and not have to worry about if it comes untucked, it's not gonna look silly, and just, it's a comfortable shirt. So I might keep it. We'll see. The next shirt is one that I requested. I requested a cute plaid shirt. Now, I love the colors, and on camera it is showing up so much brighter, I feel like. But it's blue, red, white. It's very cute. It's the Mellow Day AMARAH 1-pocket flannel top. Retails for $46. $46 I think is maybe typical for a plaid shirt. I don't know. For me, I feel like that's a lot of money, but maybe not. This is super soft, super comfortable again. The sleeves are very tight to get over your wrist, which, not a big deal. You can always unbutton and rebutton them, obviously. And then it also has the buttons so you can roll this up to like 3/4 sleeves if you wanted. It's very cute, very soft, very comfortable, but there's something about the top that throws me off. Like, it's almost way too structured. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but like the collar, I left 1 or 2 buttons undone at the top, and I felt like it was just so stiff. Like, I looked like I belonged in a rodeo. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want a little more loose, and even I didn't put a shirt on under it, but I did try it on earlier just all the way opened up, which is cute too. But if I'm gonna wear a plaid shirt, I want a plaid shirt where I can wear it buttoned or unbuttoned, and I just don't think for $46 I would purchase it. Again, I love the colors. I think it's soft. I think it looked okay. There's just something about it and it throws me off. So I don't think I'll get this one. Let's move on to this Pink Clover Denver Front Twist Brush Knit Top. This retails for $38. Does this look familiar if you watch my other stitches? Does this not look familiar to you? This is another one of those darn knit tops. I've gotten 3 in a row now. It's the same exact material. The inside is the same exact thing, which, I mean, I like the brushed knit. I think that's super comfy. That's fine. Seriously, ugh. The first time they sent me a gray, cream, and maroon, I believe is what it was. Then the next time they sent me just a plain gray, and now they are sending me gray and this color. And the only difference in this one is this is a 3/4 sleeve. It doesn't have the cowl neck. So I guess there is a lot of difference. And then it's got the knot in the front. So yeah, there is a lot of difference, but you'd think if I already said no to those two, I didn't like them, like why would you send me this one? So that's, I don't, you tell me your thoughts on that. Would you be annoyed about that, or would you be like, no, this is different enough? To me, I mean, the difference, I get, yeah, there are a lot of difference. It's not the cowl neck, it's not full length sleeves, and it's got a knot, but other than that, I don't know. I don't care for the fit of these. I don't think they are doing anything good for my body shape. Even with the knot in the front, it was still too big to like, I still wanted it tucked in because it hung down too low and just around the waist didn't fit right. So tucking it in still, so then you're covering up the knot that's already there. I don't like it. I hope to gosh, if we get sent another one of those, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't like it, okay? Let's hope that they get the gist of that this time. This last top, this is the Market & Spruce FOLSOM Crew Neck Knit Top. This retails for $36. All right, so it is just simple white and black striped. It's a lot thinner stripes than the first black and white one that we had. The material is way different. It's so soft. Again, it is another one of those that, I mean, it's white. It's a little bit see-through, I think, but I could get past it. I think out of all of them, this is probably the one that I'd keep. It is a little bit longer in the back. I mean, the front too. I wore this tucked in all the way around, and I thought it was so cute with the jeans I had on. And then I also have a skinny little black belt that I think would make it look really good with a pair of cute black booties. I think it's a really cute outfit. And then I could also wear it with the back untucked and the front tucked in and still like it. I do not like it untucked all the way around though. I don't like the way that looks. Maybe if I was wearing leggings, I think, because I'm pretty sure that would cover my tush enough to wear just leggings with it, so that would be fine. But I do think it looked really cute tucked in the jeans, and then with a cute cardigan over top would look really nice. So I think out of all of them, that will probably be the one that I keep. And the last item in the box, like I said, I did ask for some booties and I did receive. These are by Isaac Mizrahi. These are the Charles Suede booty. They are very cute. You've got a little bow detail in the back along with just a little slit, your chunky heel, zipper on the side. Are these cute booties? Yeah, they're a little more pointy than I would normally gravitate towards, but they looked cute on. I paired them with a pair of jeans that I got previously in a Stitch Fix box, and then I just had my white top on it, and overall it was a really cute outfit. Like I said, if I had that little black belt, I would have loved the outfit. But these retail for $109, and I'm sorry, but you can get booties that look almost identical to this and cuter at TJ Maxx and Marshall's for $30. I'm not about to spend $109 on a basic pair of booties. You know what I mean? I say I'm gonna pass on those. Again, do they look cute? Yeah, but they're not anything that I can't get somewhere else. So let's talk pricing, and then I'm gonna go over a couple other things with you. The total of everything, if you would purchase them like at a store, separate pieces, it would be $267. If you buy it all, you get a 25% discount. That knocks off $66.75. Plus you get the $20 off because you already paid a $20 for the styling fee. So the total you would pay is $175.25. Oh, I have $5 credit too, so mark, take off $5 more, $175.25 for all four. That doesn't seem like a terrible price, but again, there's nothing in there that I would love. So this to me is not worth it. Just because they don't work for me, don't mean they won't work for you. Which is why also I always put in the description box the information of each piece, including the color. So if you wanted to request anything that I've got in my box today to your stylist, you can just copy it and paste it and say, hey, I saw this, can you get it for me? and they'll do their best. Overall, I'm not the most excited about the Stitch Fix. Again, unfortunately, I feel like they are not paying enough attention to my actual style, which again, yes, I've had 4 different stylists and this is my 5th box, so that makes sense because nobody's pinning my style. But when you look at my Pinterest and when you look at the app and the things that I've selected, they're not matching up with what they're sending me. So I hope with keeping with the same stylist now that I will continue liking it more and more as we go, and they will pin my style down. If you guys have any questions about my box or about Stitch Fix in general, please leave in the comments below. I will be sure to answer you. And other than that, we will see you in the next one. Bye.